The member from Toronto Danforth.
Thank you, Speaker. My question to the Acting Premier. In 2015, Toronto was rocked by the death of Andrew Loku, a 45-year-old black man in mental health distress in an incident with police. Rightly, a coroner's inquest was called, and earlier this year, that inquest made 39 recommendations that would give the police the training and tools they need to de-escalate situations with racialized populations and those who need to be heard and helped, so that incidents such as the death of Andrew Loku may never happen again. Today I'm joined by a group of concerned mental health professionals on the front lines of this issue who are calling on this Liberal government to act on the coroner's inquest recommendations. My question, when will the Premier implement the Loku inquest recommendations?
Thank you. Be seated, please. Be seated, please. Thank you. Deputy Premier.
To the Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services.
Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, and I thank the member for his questions. And first, I want to express my sincere condolences to the friends and the family of Andrew Loku. I know that police officers are increasingly interacting with vulnerable individuals, often with complex mental health issues, Mr. Speaker, and this is why we need to modernize the police service training. Police officers need the necessary tools to defuse crisis situations and protect both themselves and their communities. Through our strategy for a safer Ontario, we will promote a collaborative partnership between police, the public, and other sectors such as education, healthcare, and social. And this will improve interaction between police and our vulnerable Ontarians. Mr.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Thank you, Speaker. And back to the Acting Premier. Notwithstanding those assurances, the reality is that it has been 2 years since the tragic death of Mr. Loku. The jury's in, and those recommendations have yet to be implemented. The time of talk and good intentions is over. The people of this province don't need another coroner's inquest gathering dust on someone's desk. When will this Liberal government act to implement the coroner's inquest recommendations into the death of Andrew Loku?
Thank you. Minister.
Thank you. You know, our government is very committed to make sure that people with mental health issues get access to the service they need, Mr. Speaker. And through the strategy for Safer Ontario, we will be improving the de-escalation training for all new recruits and existing officers across the province, incorporating use of force and de-escalation into our upcoming legislation to ensure police can fully respond to individuals in crisis. We will establish the most appropriate model for police interaction with persons who are in crisis, Mr. Speaker. My ministry is also working very hard and diligently with the Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care to provide people with mental health issues with the right care in the right place at the right time. And, Mr. Speaker, we will be bringing legislation this fall. Thank you very much.
Thank you.